What if I told you there was one pan that can do the work of three? Well, guess what? There is. Meet the Misen Preseasoned carbon steel pan. It's naturally non-stick, lighter than cast iron, and it's built to last a lifetime. Basically, it combines all the things you love about stainless steel, non-stick, and cast iron into one amazing pan. Chefs have always loved carbon steel, but home cooks have been slow to catch on. That's why we've released our first carbon steel pan right here on Kickstarter back in 2020. But as great as the pan was, we knew it could be even better. So we asked you, our community, for feedback, and overall there were two big comments. 1, seasoning is hard. 2, the pan was still too heavy. Well, we heard you loud and clear, so here's what we changed. First, we pre-seasoned the pan for you. Creating a strong non-stick seasoning takes time, but by applying a base seasoning at our factory, it's now ready to use right out of the box. Second, our new pan is now 20% lighter, which makes it even easier to maneuver, but it's still the same incredible pan for searing and even heating. Here at Misen, we've always taken research and testing seriously, but with this pan, we wanted to involve you even more. So we sent it to a team of 20 home cooks of all different skill levels and asked them to use it for a month. Their feedback? They loved it. The weight, the seasoning, everything. And I know that you're gonna love it too. So from all of us at Misen, I hope you'll join our community of amazing cooks. And by backing this project, you'll be able to see what the hype is all about.